How to scan a Cash App QR code. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to scan a Cash App QR code. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Cash App application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Once signed in, tap on the top left of your screen and you will see the scanner option. Cash App will then ask you to give access to camera, so go ahead and tap on the Allow button and then tap on the Scan tab. Further, place the QR that you want to scan within the frame, and with this, your QR code will be scanned. So, this is how you can scan a Cash App QR code. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Lock and Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.